You are going to love the 2025 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.